Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Today's video will show you how to unlock your iPad when you forget passcode. Method 1. Unlock iPad without password via Forget Passcode. If you have updated your iPad to iOS 15.2 or a later version, keep entering the wrong passcode until iPad unavailable screen appears. Then tap the Forgot Passcode option in the bottom right corner. Next, you can enter your Apple ID password to erase the device, including the screen lock. By the way, if you're unable to unlock your iPad because you've forgotten your newly updated password, you can reset it within 72 hours. Just tap Forgot Passcode in the bottom right corner, enter your previous password, and then reset your password from there. Method 3. Unlock iPad without passcode via iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPad to a computer and launch iTunes. Step 2. Find the Summary tab on the left interface and hit on it. Then, click on the Restore iPad. iTunes will begin downloading the latest iOS firmware. You'll see a progress bar at the top indicating that the device is being prepared for restoration. Method 3. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If you can't remember your Apple ID password, you can try using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. This multifunctional iOS unlocking tool can help users unlock disabled or unavailable iPhones and iPads without entering the passcode. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Then, choose Unlock iOS Screen and click the Start button to proceed to the next step. Step 2. After selecting your device model, please follow the instructions to put your iPad into DFU mode. Click on the Next button when you put your iPad into DFU mode successfully. Step 3. After confirming that the device information is correct, click to start downloading the firmware package. While waiting for downloading, please do not disconnect your iPad from your computer. When the firmware package is downloaded, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will start to unlock your iPad. This process will not take too much time. When your iPad is unlocked, all the data and content on your iPad will be erased. Method 4. Unlock iPhone without passcode via Find My iPhone. Navigate to the iCloud website and log in to the same Apple ID as the locked iPad. Then click on the Find My iPhone feature when you log in to the iCloud. Next, hit on the All Devices option and select the locked iPad. Click Erase iPad option to unlock your iPad. If the above content is helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.